Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going over to XRP once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So we did see that flash crash. Now it is doing exactly what it's done before, you know. So going forward, I'm just going to keep relaying what I think is happening in the charts. I think we're going to get to 131. You know, I can't specifically say whether it's next week, tomorrow, or whatever, but I do think we're gearing up for it. There's something in the charts, providing we hold the structure and the support. You know, providing we just keep doing what we're doing, grinding out that support, which is coming up to meters right now. Then technically we could be at 131 basically because of the opportunity that I'm looking at is mirroring the previous cycle, you know, pattern for pattern, stride for stride, what we did in 2020, and this is why I've been able to nail it so well. So aside from all of that, you know, the sort of macro outlook for XRP, there are opportunities in many altcoins. I'm going to show you a specific coin today that we need to look for on the buy and sell indicator right now, so I'll go through that within a moment. But you know, the crypto zones right here nailed it yesterday. If you take a look, they dipped their toe into 20.65% of the crypto market, according to the crypto zones, was sat in the buy long medium level, you know, yesterday as that collapse basically happened. And so far we've seen a massive uptick, and this is why at the moment we've seen, you know, the flip basically. We've got 10% have shifted into the sell short medium zone right there, where yesterday we only had 4. So yesterday the more favorable trade, if you could stomach it, obviously was to go long according to the crypto zones. Okay, so again, this is a fantastic little indicator. You can clearly see we've had a lot of coins bolt all the way down here, and you know, when they're in the floor like that, they're spiking down, then there are always little opportunities if you can find the lows basically. So at the moment we're getting a bit of a call off in the market, currently at 60. Yesterday, sorry, it was at 69. Last week it was 66. So basically coming down, holding a range, looking to go again. Now yesterday we did get the DXY breakdown. Look at that. So the dollar strength is picking up a little bit at the moment. Previous 21, now 27. So it's seeing a little bit of a pickup, and this is why you start to see some of these coins pull back a little bit, and especially XRP. Now, you know, I wouldn't get too excited about, you know, the bottom being in at the moment for XRP. We're looking for structure, we're looking for consolidation in a range before we do start to go again. I think it is leading down to the 131, I'll be honest with you, but again, it can all be invalidated going forward. But so far so good. It's not invalidated, and this is the good news I want to relay to you. But the minute it is invalidated, obviously I will relay that to you. So let's take a look at the XRP chart right now and see what we can see. Okay, quickly before I do dive into the XRP chart to take a look at what's going on, I just want to relay this particular chart for you. Casper, the ticker is CAS, KASUSD. Now this particular coin was, I think it was inception last year in June, and I do apologize if you've watched a Bitcoin video and I'm about to repeat myself, but what we've got is this beautiful uptick just there, then the corrective zigzag waves coming back. We never lost the low from which we came, and then boom, we bolted, and then we began to print the buy signal on the CoinsKid buy and sell indicator right here, which is really important. Okay, so from that point in July, August last year, look at that, we bolted. Okay, so if you'd have been buying that signal way back then, currently if you'd held from that point right there, you'd be up a whopping 20,000% today. Okay, so at the minute, you know, in the current time frame, I've posted just on Twitter, we broke the 1 fib just there. Here's your 0 fib, you come up through the fibs, you got another buy signal just there, you held in the ribbon, look at that, and then boom, you bolted. You had initial resistance on the 1618, so the next level of resistance forecast is the 2 fib at 0.151513. Okay, so I've posted that particular setup on Twitter. Again, lovely little impulsive move continuation, that's your next leg of resistance. But aside from that, what we're looking for, and this is why I'm showing this chart, because there are a lot of new coins that have come out, okay, and there are a lot of new coins that have bolted, but what we're looking for is the waves coming back. If we've got zigzags overlapping waves and have not necessarily lost this low from which they've come and bolted, we're looking for the buy signal on those particular charts. So scour the charts. There are over 20,000 different coins, I think. You know, some are new, some are old. We're not looking for old coins, we're looking for new coins to come with the upcycle basically. So if you can find them, please post them, please DM me, put them in the Discord, Twitter DM me or whatever, or just tag me in them, you know, and we'll take a look and see what we can see going forward. But you know, this beautiful signal just there, you know, buy signal on the CoinsKid buy and sell indicator right there, beautiful opportunity way back there. Wish I had a time machine basically and go back and made this signal for you a very long time ago. So this is an indicator that I've recently developed for the CoinsKid crew right there. You can get a part of that indicator as well just by going to coinskid.com in the video link section, you know, and just follow the instructions. Really simple. Okay, so what we've got from this point here, and this is really important, okay, on this break here, on this blood and this pullback and, you know, the death cross and flipping red, we never printed a red signal, basically a red sell signal, the red dot. Okay, that's really important. We came back up, created another buy signal, came all the way back down, then we created the red signal. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. That's the key to this chart. Okay, so look at that, we've got the red signal, that was the time to sell, then we came back down, immediately followed by another buy signal, boom, 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 and we've been in a buy signal ever since. And that point as well, created another buy signal, even with all this blood, despair and depression, where I know a lot of indicators tell you to sell. At that point we never got the sell signal, and right now we're coming up the stairs again. So it's a really really important. You know, this is something I coded into the indicator right there that I know a lot of people have not coded into their indicator. This is what makes this indicator a little bit special. Okay, so again, you can get involved in this indicator. It works all the way down to the hourly. I mean, we've just seen a micro sell signal on Bitcoin that I unfortunately missed. I do apologize, but again, I will try and zoom in more on the micro time frames for these particular charts. Okay, so this works on any time frame. Have fun with it, play with it. Like I said to you, if it's consolidating a range, you will see a lot of in-out signals, and that's just basically chop and noise and consolidation. I will look to try and code that out of this particular indicator at some point, but at the minute, you know, it's doing okay. And in this particular chart is the fruits of this indicator. Look at it at the moment. This beautiful buy signal is absolutely bolted, okay, and it told you to sell at the right time. So I'm waiting for a sell signal on this particular indicator for CASIC. Let's dive into the XRP chart right now. So taking a look at XRP on a Friday time frame at the moment, I think we're caught in a wave 4 correction. I've gone through this with you that I think that, you know, we've bolted, we're consolidating a range under the local high, which was in July of this year, and then, you know, everyone's going to get super bullish as we're breaking out, but we'll just run into resistance, go sideways in a range for a few weeks, and then, you know, have our wave 4 correction, and we've got a final 5th wave up. And I think this is, you know, playing out to an absolute boss at the moment. Now the invalidation of such is this thick yellow line. If XRP starts to come down, back down, okay, starts to lose its support, gets back into the apex of this ascending triangle, you know, breaks down and closes multiple times on the weekly below that thick yellow line, which is currently, let me drop that in for you, it's currently 0.5519, then I think, you know, we're not in a macro correction, and XRP could be in a world of trouble in the sense that, you know, this is another thrust to the downside, correction, and so on and so forth. But until that day comes, you know, I'm going to remain cautiously bullish here for XRP, because it is doing exactly what it's done before. And like I've said to you so many times all year, that, you know, these pullbacks, these waves that are coming back, the overlapping zigzag waves give the game away, that it's corrective, not necessarily impulsive. So at the minute, I'm looking for a pullback, I'm looking for support, which I've given you, the 20-week EMA. I've put some bids on around about 0.57. I think once we get this correction out of the way and completed, then boom, we're in a massive monumental move here to the upside for XRP. But it doesn't make me a perm bull, it's just technical analysis, it's just an opportunity that I'm looking at. So far, so good. We've absolutely nailed the moves this year on XRP, and you know, we've absolutely made an absolute killing here in the markets for XRP. So again, patience is key with XRP, but at the moment we've not lost any structural support for this potential break of a final 5th wave up to that 131. Okay, now why the final 5th wave? So if I show you on the weekly time frame right now what I'm looking at for XRP, and it's really simple. Okay, so what we've got is the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 35-day ABC, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, which takes us up just like it did here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 35-day ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's exactly what we're doing right now. We're mirroring it. And this is why yesterday I said to you, I'm expecting some sideways consolidation in a range, potentially backtesting a 20-week EMA, just like it did here. If we build a base, we build some kind of consolidation pattern, it's going to increase the probability, if you can just be patient, for the big final 5th wave, the big break, okay, to roughly $1.31. Really a simple technical analysis. The invalidation of such, I show you every single day. So you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. My bids still remain on the 0.57 right there on the 20-week EMA. The invalidation in the short term is breaking a local high. Okay, hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Bye bye.